Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity. Hello kids. Today we are going to complete some fun words by filling in the missing letters. Are you ready? Let's get started. Fill in the missing letters to complete each word. First word, look at this red fruit. It's called an apple. The first letter is missing. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's A, so we will write A. Second word, here is a big brown bear. The word is bear. What letter is missing at the beginning? That's right, it's B. Third word, look at this cute little kitten. The word is cat. What's the missing letter? Yes, it's C. Fourth word, here is a small ant. The word is ant. Can you guess the missing letter? Yes, it's A. Fifth word, this is a beautiful butterfly. The word is butterfly. Which letter should we add at the beginning? Yes, B. Last word, look at this fast car. The word is car. What's the missing letter? Correct, it's C. Great job, kids. Today we learned how to complete words by adding the missing letters. Keep practicing new words every day. See you in the next lesson.